I want to take a few moments and actually look into the mathematical or mathematics fundamentals course. So this course, and actually look into it because this is a new course that has been published on Brilliant, so brilliant.org. Um, the previous one, if we look into it, the Math Fundamentals 2020 is actually retiring, and I finished this course. I'm not sure why these don't show with the green bar as being finished, but I finished this course, and I'm actually very pleased with the knowledge that has been into it, that has been put. I mean, I'm extremely satisfied with the folks at Brilliant. So far, they're doing an amazing job with all these scientific courses, which is why I've decided to actually pay for the premium. Plus, I'm actually going to post a lot of content using Brilliant. We're actually going to go into a lot of practice in all of these topics in future videos. So today I actually just want to look into the curriculum in this course. So we actually have 200 and we have 210 plus concepts and exercises and 27 interactive quizzes, and it seems that the at least the first introduction, the introduction section has been actually like reduced to a little extent. So in this course, we'll actually learn about the foundational ideas of algebra, number theory, and logic that come up in nearly every topic across STEM. So in this case, if we look at the prerequisites, we have no previous knowledge required to actually take this course, and the next steps are computer science fundamentals and scientific thinking. If I haven't gone through the computer science fundamental just as yet, maybe I'm actually, so let's go back. Maybe I'm actually going to look into we're actually going to look into it in future videos. Okay, now this course is ideal for anyone who's either starting or restarting their math education. I'm actually one who's restarting because I loved math my entire life. It's kind of I have sort of a very big attraction. It's like sort of a magical attraction to math. I don't know why, but I love math. So it's like it's probably, like I keep saying, it's one of my best investments that I pay for monthly. It's like the price of 3 expensive coffees. It's like $10 to $12 a month. Okay, so we have the introduction section in which we explore the foundations of algebra and logic without any rote memorization. So this is important. Now, we'll learn about generalization, and as you can see here, I'm just starting this one out. Algebra was never meant to be memorized, so learn a new way to see. Then rewrite, rethink, redraw, explore fractal patterns. I don't actually kind of like this stuff too much, but anyway, I'll just go with the flow with it. Thinking forward and backward, okay. Logical reasoning, as much as I hate it, is central to life, especially when you're actually making decisions that have impact not only on yourself but also on other people. We have we have 4, 5, 6 sections here, and each of these sections, if you look into it, each of these lessons has like a lot of or multiple lessons. So this, I think they're trying something new with this new course because I haven't seen this format so far in Brilliant. So I'm really excited to try it out. Then we go into numerical reasoning. Use the basics of arithmetic and algebra to uncover properties of numbers. Okay, this sounds exciting. Trying to figure out how I can actually swipe the screen and use my fingers at the same time, but maybe this won't work. So we have numerical reasoning. Okay, use the basics of arithmetics. We have strategic arithmetic, dissecting numbers divisible by 3. These are actually simple concepts: building numbers to spec, bring your divisibility rules, and numerical logic. So we have quite a few sections here. Then we have contextual reasoning, section number 4. We understand fractions, probability, compound interest. So in mathematical fundamentals, we'll learn about compound interest. So compound interest is one of the very key concepts that you need to understand when it comes to making money and also when it comes to investment. So if you want to go into investing, you want to learn about compound interest. Not only if you want to learn or if you want to go into investments, but also if you have loans to the bank, you might want to learn about these concepts. Okay, then section number 5, algebraic reasoning. Let me see if I can draw on the screen with this. With the screen, right? Well, actually not really, because this is taking a screenshot, so let's discard it. So we have algebraic reasoning. Build and practice problem solving strategies with these algebra puzzles. So we have variables, magical variables. Writing down equations is often the easiest way to organize information and solve problems. Reverse engineering arithmetic, find the patterns that you will be able to solve. Sums and symmetry, mix, match, and compare unknown values. Cryptogram challenges. I don't like these ones, but the previous video on this channel was about a cryptogram challenge, and we'll do more in the future. Now, geometric reasoning. I'm really excited about this. We learned about Pythagoras. I haven't seen Pythagoras since the 7th grade, so I'm really actually looking forward to my encounter with Pythagoras. We have the distributive property, which is applied not only to sums, but also to other operations. Difference of squares. This isn't how you learn this identity at school. I'm looking forward to seeing something different. And differences of squares challenges. So this is mathematical fundamentals in a nutshell, the new course that has just been published, or that I've just seen on Brilliant. And maybe I'll do a review video after I finish it. I'm not actually going to do videos as I learn or as I go through this course, because I don't want to spoil the premium material that's on this Brilliant, and this video is not sponsored, so this, I'm not getting anything from Brilliant for actually making this video, so it's not in my interest to actually, I'm just saying, and I'm just making this video because I'm very big fan of mathematics, very eager to practice math, because I see its application in all areas of my life, not only in my career, so to speak, or entrepreneurial side of things, but also in my personal life. And that's actually why I'm very excited about it. And I'm more excited about it because I have yet to found any other applications. So if any of you watching this video, if you know of other applications, I don't like Khan Academy. So other applications that are very interactive, like this one, if you know of other applications, I'm really looking forward to it. Let me know in the comments below. But other than that, so far I'm really satisfied with Brilliant. As you can see right now, they have 60 plus courses. It's like a geek's porn, if I can put it that way. Okay, future videos when it comes to practice from Brilliant. So we're gonna do from algebra, maybe algebra warm-ups. Yeah, this is the one that I've solved, and maybe in the next video we'll do the exponents warm-up. Okay, over and out.